Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Investment Trends, where we discuss the latest news in the stock market and the economy. So for this week, as of Friday morning, pre-market trading, it looks like all three major indexes will be headed for a slight weekly gain. Earlier this week, we saw new record highs from the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500. So on Wednesday, the NASDAQ crossed over the 21,000 point threshold as we saw good earnings reports from Alphabet. So the market is now being boosted by strong earnings reports that have come out. 83% of companies that have reported earnings have beat expectations. So this has boosted the stock market and started to broaden out the stock market rally. Other news this week, we saw a trade deal get struck with Japan as there will be a 15% reciprocal tariff that will go into place. The market so far has shrugged off a lot of these tariff fears, but this does give hope that there could be some deals that will be struck and negotiated before that August 1st deadline. Also, in other news this week, President Trump visited Fed Chair Powell, and he did a tour of the Federal Reserve building. Trump has since backed off any threats of potentially firing Powell. He says that would be a big move. He doesn't view that as a necessary move and believes that Fed Chair Powell will do the right thing, which obviously in his mind would mean to cut interest rates. So it's interesting timing with that. As we head into next week, the Fed chair will make a decision on what to do with interest rates in their meetings coming up next week. Many believe that they will hold interest rates steady at that 4.25 to 4.5% range. So that's all I've got for this week. If you're seeing or tracking any other stocks or any other companies, please leave a comment below.